That's it. So we are having one more case here. We are having storyboard there also there. Storyboard is you can say is a hierarchy available which can help you to accommodate multiple charts one after another in a PPT fashion. So let me drag first my main dashboard on my first page. So I'll take layout as automatic so that I can accommodate my chart parallelly. So I named it main dashboard. If I want to add a new page, I add new page, then I'll go for order sale. Let me tag it here. I'll say order sale. Parallelly, you can keep adding your charts which you think is required to get explanation. Say this is my category sales. I can rename this as your title. I'll say sales story. Apply. Okay. So if you swap, you will be able to get all data in a single glance. You can add use of this arrows are there. You can use even the arrows to showcase your storytelling. Sales story.